Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and sure enough, it is a SmartDoll box. Tuesday morning, Darren and I wake up at 5. We usually get up about 5:15, 5:30 a.m. And when we came down, you know, I took dog out, Darren made coffee, normal morning stuff. And I noticed there was a drop on the Culture Japan site the night before at 1:30 a.m. I was surprised there were any dolls left, and there were two that I was really looking at. If you gave me a minute, I could tell you who, but I've forgotten now. But one doll, you know, I was thinking about the other two, and this other doll, this is not my box. Wow. I got the wrong box. Did you buy me this?
I did.
Thank you. That's really sweet. And boobs too? Thank you. That was really sweet. What a surprise.
They were in the chaos page. There
Well,
was
I
some up,
figured
and I
that.
figured.
Oh, and that little crown.
And I asked for some free rings
That's
so you could practice painting on them.
Thank you very much. Well, yeah, there's a lot of free rings here. Very cool. There's heads and cocoa head. Tea. Oh, this is very cool. Thank you very much. Oh, look at all this. And cinnamon. How many heads did I get?
Should be
Wait,
6.
let me set this down. 1, 2, 3, 4 cocoa. 5.
And the other one you already took out.
No. Oh, yeah, I did. 2 cocos. Very cool. I have 2 cocoa smart dolls. Thank you, Darren. How fun. That's hilarious. I thought, oh no, I didn't get my stand was my first thought. Thank you very much. Oh, what a fun surprise. All right, well, I was going to show you, and then I got distracted. It was such a fun thing. Inside your box, every smart doll comes with this nice box, and inside is your smart doll care guide, your wig with the little holder, and this isn't as, oh, there we go, okay. This isn't as thick as it used to be, I don't think. Your wig comes in here, and you've got this wig protector. And your telescope stand, of which I panicked and thought was not here. I started to say, when I got excited, that I was looking at 2 dolls very seriously thinking about buying 2 other dolls. Surprised that they had not sold out. And this one, it was like if you've ever gone and looked at puppies, like a litter of puppies, and you go and you have 2 that you're looking at, and they are, you know, really nice conformation, and their markings are perfect or whatever. But that little runt, cute as it could be, keeps looking at you. And that's kind of what Oceana did. I wish you could see her eyes better. They looked more blue. Maybe they will be in the sun. They looked more blue on the photo on the page. But Oceana just caught my eye, and I just kept saying, you know, this one's so cute. And pretty soon I said, you know what, Darren? I would like to have this doll. So we bought her, Darren did, and obviously a whole lot more. How fun is that? I never thought about getting a chaos package. How fun. You know what I didn't say? These all look semi-real. Yeah, that looks like Never Say Never. This looks, does it have nostrils? No, that one looks more anime. And this one looks more anime, but still more realistic, and it has the smaller eyes. That's just really exciting. Sorry, I keep going back to that, but never had one before. So let's see about putting her wig on. Might have to do it off camera. Oh, I need to put this back in my little wig holder. I put all of that up and take care of all of that so that I have it. Okay. These can be tricky, and my old hands are not as strong as they used to be. Let me tell you. Turn it off a second. So here she is. Is she not adorable? I wish the lighting was better. It's very cloudy out. I didn't go get the lights out and everything. First of all, I don't like them. And, but oh gosh, she's so cute. I couldn't help it. She's just adorable. I did not know I was going to like SmartDolls this much. I certainly did not know I was going to like anime so much. They're just adorable. Let me show you the stand. I was also telling you it's like going and looking at a litter of puppies, and you've got a dog in mind, and they have a couple, and they have the perfect markings, and they're right conformationally, and then the little runt who's mismarked just keeps trying to get your attention, and you find yourself back in your car with the runt. Isn't she? Oh God, I just love her. She's so cute. So, I don't know, she's whimsical. I like whimsical. I like dolls that make you smile. The stand is telescopic. It goes in the back in a hole, and you push it in, and then you work the telescope till she's standing correctly. These dolls can actually stand alone without the stands, but it is so much nicer to have that stability. In fact, I've got several SmartDolls now, and this way, when one falls, they all fall, make no mistake. But with the stands, they have more stability. Thank you for watching, Darren. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Tell me what you think about my Oceana. That's how I'm going to say her name. It's Ocean with an A behind it. To me, that's Oceana.
She needs a surfboard now or something.
Yeah, she does. She does. Stand-up paddleboard. Her wig, I hope I have it right. I think I do, but it's just a little bob. Just a little bob. So cute.